How to fix Oppo Reno 14f cannot receive calls. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.